Hi guys, Free to Eat here with another food review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Jurassic World Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So, right off the bat, as you can see, there's ice cream, peanut butter cups, and some chocolate, all inside of a peanut butter ice cream. As you can see, it took a little bit of time to bring it over here because I live like 15 minutes from Dairy Queen, so it's a little melted. But when they first gave it to me, it was able to go upside down, so I think that was pretty impressive. I got it for free. If you download the app now, you get a free small blizzard. So hashtag free to eat if they ask you where you got it from. And this is how it looks. I'm not sure if you can see the little peanut butter cup. Well, time to try it. So, you definitely have to be a peanut butter lover if you get one of these, because all you really taste is peanut butter. I'm not saying it's bad, but if you're not into peanut butter, this isn't for you. It's not. I like how the ice cream is. The peanut butter cups are pretty good. They're a little bit harder than Reese's, but not too bad. No complaints there. Overall, it's a pretty good ice cream. So for the review, I'd have to give it an 8, just because of the fact that if you don't like peanut butter, you're not gonna like it. So, but everything else was on point. The ice cream was really good. It was free, and I'll definitely be going back to Dairy Queen. Well, you guys, again, this was the Jurassic World Blizzard. Like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And comment down in the section below what food you would like me to try next. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.